Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate AI generated videos in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to generate your base video with AI. You need to launch your CapCut and select free AI video maker or instant AI video from the home screen. Once you have done this, you need to now create a script or style. You need to select a visual, aspect ratio, and simply an AI voice or avatar. You need to now generate the media and create video. After this, you can open the editor and adjust the clips. You can customize your text, caption, edit your audios, and add effects and transitions. You can also use overlays and keyframes and enhance your music. Once you have done this, you can export and hit the share button and export it in a high quality resolution. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.